How to set the side button, double press to open the camera in selfie mode on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on advanced features. Now in here, we then go down and tap on side button. After that, tap on double press, tap on the left hand side panel. And in here, we go down and tap on camera. Make sure you select camera. Then tap on the settings icon right next to camera. After that, from the list here, you want to select take selfie. And that's it. Now tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now whenever you want to quickly launch the camera in selfie mode on the Samsung Galaxy S25, you can just double press on the side button like this. Now you need to do it quick enough, otherwise it will lock the screen. And that's it. So the camera will always open in selfie mode. So here, let's say if I go to video mode and with the back camera. So here, if I double press on it, it will open up the camera in selfie mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.